Hello guys, you might want to sell your crypto coin right now, right? Because of what is happening in the crypto industry market. So follow me from the beginning of this very video to the end so that we can see either we are to sell or not. Now let's dive in. If you are holding any of this crypto and all you are thinking right now is to sell those crypto coin and cash out your USDT because the market is destroying or is dilapidating, then this is for you. You don't really need to sell those coins. Do you know why? Because it falls to revive, it pull back to come back. Okay, so follow me to the end of this very video so that you can really understand either to stay in this crypto trading or to sell your USDT and stay out for the meantime. So if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do what to subscribe, like this video, share this video so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so before I look at anything, I want you to look at what BTC is actually doing. Okay, you can see what is actually going on with the BTC. It took a massive fall, which was yesterday, Friday. It took a massive fall down. Okay, and also recorded one of the most highest low in the past few days, which was 102. You can take a look at that. Okay, which was 102, and it took a sharp back to stop here and also continue the normal zigzag cryptocurrency movement. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch out carefully. I want you to refer back to far back then. There was a long time ago where crypto actually fell back and everything was reset. Okay, so each time if you look at it carefully, this happens mostly in most years. Okay, it happens most of the times every year. It happens most of the times every year. All right, so it fall back to return to its stand and even possibly move above how it was before. So are we now expecting another bull run after the highest pullback? What do you think? Drop it in the comment sections and let's see. If you think this is this fallback to return and also make a beautiful bull run, then comment at the comment sections. Let me see what exactly we're going to. Let me see what you have got on this. Okay, and do it. This is one of the reason I said we are to stay in. I said we are to remain in. You don't need to sell because you're thinking now is to sell this particular cryptocurrency now and cash out your USDT. You're thinking that will make you to stay safe. But I am currently telling you that it will return to its stand, and when it return to its stand, you will be able to cash out your profit, to cash out your money, and also make a rational profit from them. Okay, you can see those Pepe coin, a lot of them still kept declining. And what are we actually looking at? Okay, they still kept declining. You can see some of their movement like right now. Okay, but the question is, are we still going to sell or we are still going to remain in this crypto trade? Okay, the truth about this matter is that we're still going to remain in this crypto trade because they are not going down to remain forever. All right, so all you just need to do, if you are getting or you are coding this class, drop it at the comment section. Let me understand. Let me see a thumbnail so that I can really understand that you are actually coping up with this very class. All right, so let me show you one of those coins that make me truly believe that we are to stay in for now. You can see in this hot time, in this most dangerous time, this coin called ZBRO/USDT is actually pumping, and it's pumping like very hard. Okay, it took a movement from 0.01 to 0.05, which is over times 2. Sorry, over times 4 of this particular volume. So imagine you holding this particular USDT, you will definitely get your money times 4 from it. If you invested 300 USD, by now it will be 1,200 USD. This is the power of all this pumping. So because of some of these, I have chosen that, okay, this crypto coin staying in the market for the meantime will be better for us than going outside the market. You can see at this dangerous time, you can see Tommy. Even though it's carrying a trend line or is a dangerous red flag of ST, which will soon be delisted, it was also recording plus 139% in this dangerous time. You can see in this dangerous time, it took a high move from here. You can see how high it was to this place, which was a very rational move. So what do you think right now? What I think right now is that we're going to remain in this market and we're going to cash out our profit by God's willing. But if you sell, if you think going out of the market is better for you, like right now, you may regret it later. All right. So we're going to look at another coin again that's actually trying to do the same thing, which has even done already, and also looking at coming down again. You can see this particular top coin took a move from this place and reached this. You can see they all pumped over times 3 or over times 4. So let me know what you think. Are we going to remain in this crypto market, or we are going to sell our crypto coin to get our USDT back because we are afraid of the feared market or the beard market? Okay, so what are you thinking of? So if we are to remain in the crypto market, let me know at the descriptive section. And also, if we are to leave the crypto market, let me know as well at the descriptive section. Because as far as I'm concerned, this is the right time for us to even do investment. Okay, I will make a video that shows that the right time to invest is now, or the investment time is now. I'm also going to make a video that shows us that talk about this particular BTC, known as the father of all crypto coin. Will it going to come up? Will it come up? Because the decline now is actually very, very high now. A lot of people might be feared. A lot of people are afraid. Okay, but I always tell you that in crypto trading, you must first control your emotions. Okay, because if you can't really control your emotion, you cannot really trade. All right. So I think this will bring me to the end of this particular class. But before I go, I would like us to take a look at this. You can look at this carefully on your own, but be very careful because the market is very dangerous right now. Okay, the market is very dangerous right now, so we don't know what it may hold again. Okay, you can see a lot of those coins are actually trying to come back. They're actually trying to do well. They're actually trying to record the highest moment of their time. Okay, so this is the right time as well for you to invest and also make something rational for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.